Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read the statement very carefully. If x to the power 400 is less than 4 to the power 600, then find the greatest possible integral value of x. First of all, integral value of x means we need to find value of x which can be an integer. Integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It may be -1, -2, -3, whatever. These are integers. But we need to find integral value here, which is satisfying this situation. That's the main thing. And that integral value must be greater one. So, firstly, we need to solve it little bit. How we will solve? See, x to the power 400, we have it is less than 4 to the power 600, right? Let us little bit simplify it. What I am going to do, I am going to make both exponents same. This is 400, this is 600. How will I make it? Please have a look. This is 2 square, right? 4 means 2 square, which can be further written as 2 times 600 is 1200. That means right side I have simplified to 2 to the power 1200. Now at the same time, how can I make this exponent 1200? Please have a look. What I am going to do, I am going to write x to the power 1 over 3 and then I am writing 1200. See, it has not changed anything, because when 1 over 3 is multiplied with 1200, you will get 400. Right? 3 and 1200, they will cancel out. That means as of now, I've got x to the power 1 over 3. This exponent is 1200. This is what I have. Now I can compare easily. What I can compare? This is 1200, this is 1200. Both exponents are same. In between, I am having less than sign. That means I can analyze that x to the power 1 over 3, it must be less than 2. Exponents are same, so I am using the same inequality for the base now. That if x to the power 1 over 3 is less than 2, then it will satisfy the equation. Now, what is the meaning of 1 over 3? Actually, 1 over 3 means cube root. I know that 8 to the power 1 over 3 is 2. 8 to the power 1 over 3 is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2, because what you can do, just a minute, I'll show you the step, because sometimes it happens, few might not be aware how this step comes. See, 8 power 1 over 3 means 8 is 2 cube and exponent is 1 over 3. When 3 and 3 is cancelled, you will get 2. That is why I said that 8 to the power 1 over 3 is 2. That means if I take x as 8, then it should be equal to 2. But I need lesser than 2. That means my value of x should be less than 8. Then it will satisfy it. Now the question is greatest possible integral value. I am having 4 options. Out of 4 you need to select. My study has found that x should be less than 8. 4, 7, 5, 6, all the options are given less than 8 only. But out of all these, which one is greatest? Greatest is 7, right? And 7 will satisfy, right? Because I am saying x should be less than 8. That means 7 is possible. And 7 option is there. And out of these all 4, 7 is the greatest also. That means for this question, C option, 7 is the correct option. I hope you are clear with the concept. This question seems to be difficult, but with little analysis, you can make it easy. Thank you so much for watching today's video.